Now we have a statement of the Indian Medical Association. They have gone ahead and have congratulated the Prime Minister, the Home Minister and the Health Minister and the Education Minister for their prompt response. And in a statement they go on to say, and I quote, that we extend our gratitude to the Ministry of Education for transferring the investigation of the irregularities in NEET UG examination to the CBI for a thorough probe. We are also thankful to the government for removing the Director General of the NTA. Now, this is a statement of the Indian Medical Association. Akanksha is joining us on the phone line as we get you more details. And Akanksha, the Indian Medical Association has released the detailed statement. They are, in fact, expressing their gratitude to the government for taking proactive steps. They have especially gone ahead and have spoken about the government taking steps to transfer the investigation to the CBI, and also they've mentioned categorically that it's a welcome step that the government has gone ahead and has shunted the NTA DG. What more are you learning?
Well, absolutely. Indian Medical Association has reacted to this, and they have welcomed the central government's action and also the CBI probe. But most importantly, what they have said that they have urged the government to start the counselling, of the admission in medical, dental, as well as the other courses on time. And this remains their demand as far as this letter is concerned. But in this letter, they have thanked the central government for removing the DG of the National Testing Agency and assigning Pradeep Kumar as the Director General. And they've also wanted to say that the present students are the future of the country, and it's crucial that important examinations are conducted with utmost diligence and confidentiality. And that is why they have welcomed that yesterday the the NEET PG examination was postponed, and they have in fact thanked the Prime Minister, the Home Minister as well as the Health Minister for this step.
All right. So in the statement, and I'm going to read out an excerpt from it, that Akanksha also pointed out that the IMA has gone on to say that we urge the government to take swift action to ensure that counselling for admission in medical, dental and other courses begins on time. So like we've been telling you, they've not only appreciated what the steps taken by the government, but now as the opposition is demanding that there should be a re-NEET, but the IMA, the Indian Medical Association, has gone on to say that we urge the government to take swift action to ensure that counselling for admission in medical, dental and other courses begins on time. We hope for a safe and secure future of our next generation. It's time for us to slip into a short commercial break here on Times Now. Stay with Times Now as we keep you up to speed with the latest developments on the NEET investigation.